If you're looking for the best AI logo maker in 2026, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning professional logos in just a few minutes using design.com. No design skills, no expensive software, and no hiring a graphic designer, just the power of AI. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Let's go to Google and search for design.com, then click on the very first link. I've also provided the official website link in the description of this video. This is the homepage of design.com, an all-in-one AI-powered branding platform where you can design almost anything with the help of artificial intelligence. Whether you need a professional logo, a business website, brand assets, marketing materials, or social media graphics, Design.com allows you to create them in just a few clicks without requiring any professional design experience. Now let's click on Design to explore the tools available on this platform. As you can see, there are plenty of AI-powered design tools. You can create professional logos, business websites, traditional business cards, digital business cards, flyers, posters, social media graphics, marketing materials, and many other branding assets. One of the best features of Design.com is its AI logo maker, which combines artificial intelligence with professional design principles to generate high-quality, fully customizable logos. Whether you're starting a new business, launching a YouTube channel, opening an online store, or simply refreshing your existing brand identity, this tool makes the entire process incredibly easy. Now let's create our own logo. Go to the top, click on Design, and then select Logo. Here you'll find the AI logo generator. In the prompt box, I'll describe exactly what I want. I'll type, create a logo featuring a glowing brain and sparks, minimalist style, vibrant gradient, clean and professional. In the business name field, I'll enter Creative Studio. You can also include additional keywords related to your business or industry. Once everything is ready, simply press Enter. Now Design.com begins generating logo concepts based on our prompt. Within just a few seconds, you'll notice multiple professional logo designs appearing on the screen. Each design has a unique style, different typography, color combinations, icon variations, and layouts. Instead of giving you only one design, the AI generates a wide variety of logo concepts, allowing you to choose the one that best represents your brand identity. This saves a tremendous amount of time compared to creating logos manually from scratch. I really like this design, so I'll select it. Now we enter the editor, where we can customize every part of the logo. Let's start with the colors. From here, you can quickly switch between professionally designed color palettes or manually choose your own brand colors. Trying different color combinations helps you find the perfect look for your business. Next, we can change the background color. This feature is especially useful because it lets you preview how your logo will appear on light backgrounds, dark backgrounds, websites, business cards, packaging, or social media profiles. Now let's customize the text. You can change the font style, select a different font family, adjust the font size, modify the font color, add outlines, curve the text, change spacing, and make many other typography adjustments until the logo matches your branding perfectly. To make the logo even more attractive, click on Shapes. Here you'll find numerous decorative elements, geometric shapes, icons, and design assets. I'll choose one of these shapes, and as you can see, it instantly appears on the canvas. From there, I can resize it, rotate it, change its color, and place it wherever I want. If you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or other digital platforms, you'll also love the animation feature. Simply click on Animation, and you'll find several animation styles that can instantly bring your logo to life. Now comes one of my favorite features on Design.com, the built-in AI chat. Instead of manually editing every design element, you can simply tell the AI exactly what you want. Click on AI Chat, and in the prompt box I'll type, please change the color of the logo to a sleek modern look with a dark background and bright vibrant icons. Now let's generate it. Within just a few moments, Design.com intelligently understands our request and automatically redesigns the logo. It updates the colors, improves the icon style, enhances the overall appearance, and creates a fresh, modern branding concept, all from a simple text prompt. This feature makes logo customization incredibly fast, even if you have no graphic design experience. Once you're satisfied with the final design, you can easily share it with your clients, friends, or team members. Simply click on Share. From here, you can share your logo directly on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and X, or simply copy a shareable link and send it anywhere you like. Now let's save our project. Click on Save, and once your design has been stored successfully, click Access Files. Design.com will prepare your files for download. Here you can download your logo in multiple professional formats, including JPG, PNG, PDF, and SVG. You can also choose between solid backgrounds or transparent backgrounds depending on how you plan to use your logo. For this demonstration, I'll choose SVG since it's perfect for high-quality printing and can be resized without losing quality. Once the download is complete, let's open the final logo. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. In just a few minutes, we've created a professional, modern logo using nothing but AI. We can also create websites, business cards, and more. To do this, click on Create New Design. From here, you can browse thousands of professional templates to design websites, business cards, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, and much more. Now, I want to design a website. Click on Website and select the type of site you want to create, then press Continue. Instantly, your website design is ready. We can preview the site in both mobile and desktop formats to ensure everything is perfectly designed. On the right side of the canvas, you will see various website templates available. Simply click on a template, and it will instantly appear on your screen. With the power of AI, creating a professional website has never been this easy. Next, click on Content to edit your website. From the background menu, you can change the images and adjust the opacity to fit your brand's look. Under the Style tab, you'll find different button styles. Select one, and it will update on your page immediately. You can also manage the footer, banners, and dividers from the Content section. To manage your pages, click on Manage Pages. Here, you can easily add or delete pages. I'll add a new page titled About and click Continue. The About section appears right away on our screen. You can also customize the header and footer settings according to your needs. Once your design is complete, it's time to go live. Click on Publish to launch your website effortlessly. With Design.com, you can create a stunning professional website easily and effortlessly and share it with the world. Whether you're building a startup, creating content, running a business, or working with clients as a freelancer, Design.com can help you create high-quality branding without spending hundreds of dollars on graphic designers. I will provide the link to this app in the description of the video. Try this amazing application for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.